Workplace risks and loss footage? IDIS keeps you covered with smart safety and failover recording. Let's hear from our IDIS expert.
Welcome to IDIS's Workplace Safety Solutions, where we can cater to the unique demands of facilities such as logistics, warehouses, manufacturing, and food processing.
Hi, I'm Ed Snow, Regional Sales Manager for IDIS Americas.
Today we are introducing the Forklift Safety Solution, along with Smart Failover and Clip Archive. The system consists of two IDIS mobile dome cameras, front and rear, a Wi-Fi access point, PoE to power the cameras, and an optional display monitor, and an IDIS recorder with Smart Failover. The vehicle collision preventative system acts to stop collisions between staff and vehicles by using a rear-mounted or front AI camera to detect if an object, people, is within close proximity. If a staff member approaches a vehicle in operation, the driver is alerted with an alarm. Whenever there's an imminent risk of collision with any person, the vehicle is automatically stopped. Detection distance, stopping distance, and deceleration speed can be set. The release button can be set to default is 5 seconds. All events are transmitted wirelessly in real time back to the IDIS recorder or control room operator, providing managers with the intuitive oversights they need to better manage risks. Video is recorded wirelessly to the NVR. If there is an interruption of wireless service, i.e. forklift enters a dead zone or internet connection failure, Smart Failover is activated. A video is recorded to the internal SD card. Upon reconnection of service, the recorded video is then transferred from the SD card to the NVR. Smart Failover needs to be configured on the NVR to rebuild the missing video files once the network connection to the camera is restored. Clip Archive is a video clip download and management program that can save clip files to a specific folder on the admin server and are accessible by an ISS client. This allows an end user to request a video clip from any NVR connected with ISS server. This application is only available in IDIS Solution Suite. This solution only works with an NVR, so you must add an NVR to ISS. Clip Archive can be configured to save clips automatically to the ISS server, or they can be manually uploaded to the ISS server. By default, video clips uploaded to the ISS server are saved for 15 days but can be extended to 30 days, after which they will be deleted unless they are saved locally. When a clip is downloaded, manually or automatically, a link is sent to an email for download. Video clips are limited to 30 minutes per video request. The IDIS Workplace Safety Solution enables safer and compliant operations in manufacturing, industrial, and logistics environments.
Thank you for joining us here today and allowing me to show you what we can offer you on your next workplace project.
Thank you for joining us here today, and we'll see you in the next video.